Namaste everyone. I am Kavita Pant, the Indian yoga girl, and I welcome you all to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share 5 yoga postures that as a beginner you can practice. So if you are someone who is very new to yoga and you do not know where to start from, I'm going to tell you these asanas that you can practice every single day. These are going to be 5 basic yoga poses that you can practice, and these will help you in starting your yoga journey. So if you're ready, get down on your mats and we'll get started. So to start with, you can come down on your mat and sit in Sukhasana. First, bring your hands in Chin Mudra, relax them over the knees and close your eyes. We are going to chant here Om 3 times. So take a deep breath in. And now slowly open your eyes. We'll move ahead towards our asana practice. So first we are going to do Paschimottanasana. Stretch out your legs in front of you. The legs will be straight, knees will not bend, knee will be straight and your spine will remain straight. Your hands are by the sides. Your toes should be pointed towards your body, towards your face. Do not keep them relaxed. Make sure it is pointed towards you. Now, as you inhale, you lift both your hands all the way up. Stretch them up nicely and look up. As you exhale, you start to bend forward slowly, gradually. Try to reach to the toes. If you're not able to touch the toes, you can place your hands at the ankle or at the shin or at the knee. Just see wherever you are able to reach and hold there. Now try to pull your chest closer towards the thigh. Do not hunch your back like this or do not bend the knees. Make sure the knees are straight. We are working on stretching these hamstring muscles. So try to grab wherever you are able to reach and pull your chest closer towards your thighs. Feel the abdomen pressing towards the thighs. And with every inhale and exhale, go deep in the posture. Hold and breathe. Keep stretching the leg. Feel the stretch behind the hamstring, behind the spine. Make sure you're bending from the hip, not from the lower back. So your chest always comes forward, not like this, but like this. Your spine tries to maintain the straight line. Now, if you're comfortable here, focus on bringing the forehead towards the knees. Very nice. Feel the stretch. Try to hold here at least for 10 seconds to start with. And as you progress, take it up till 60 seconds. That is 1 minute. Now to move out from this posture, once again, release your hands. Stretch your arm forward, stretch them up. And as you exhale, release your hands by the sides and relax. You can repeat this posture 3 times for a better flexibility within your hamstrings and the spine. This is actually a complete body stretch. When you get in the posture, you can see that not just your hamstrings are being stretched, it is also stretching the spine all the way from top till bottom, and it is also massaging your abdomen. So this posture is something that everybody can do. You don't need to avoid this posture. From here, we will move ahead towards our next posture, that is butterfly pose or Titli asana. So what you do, you join the sole of the feet together and pull your heels inward. Grab the big toes with both the hands like this. Now those of you who have arthritis problem in the hip region can avoid this. Also some people who have sciatica, that have got too much stiffness in the butt, they can also avoid. In other cases, you can practice this posture. So grabbing the big toes, lift up the chest, keep the spine straight, Now we'll start to flutter the knees up and down, up and down. This is called Titli asana or butterfly pose. Here what we are doing, we are focusing on lifting the knee as high up as possible and pulling it as close to the ground as possible. Keep fluttering. Now you can do this for next 1 minute, and every time you're fluttering it up and down, you can take your attention to the inner thighs which are getting stretched here nicely. Very nice. Keep fluttering this up and down, up and down, up and down. It's a very nice posture, especially for the reproductive system, both for males and females, and also for releasing the tightness that we tend to accumulate in the hip, in the inner thighs, in the pelvic region. So very great posture for that. And from here, we will come back to center and relax. Alright, again this was for the lower body specifically. Now we'll move to a similar posture, that is Malasana, the yogi squat. So bend your knees vertically and let's sit in the squatted position. Now those of you who have knee problem, please do not do this posture. Please entirely avoid this. Others can do. Rest your elbows in between the knees and join the palms. Now here, press the knee out with the elbows. Make sure you're not hunching forward like this. Don't do that. Keep the chest lifted up and the spine straight. Tailbone should be pointed to the ground. Make sure your tailbone is pointed towards the ground and you're not hunching forward. Alright, let's sit here like this and enjoy this posture. Now, if your heels cannot touch the ground, you stand on the toes. Alright, or what you can do, you can probably place some block or a brick underneath your heel. That will help you in holding this posture as a beginner. It's a very nice posture, something that we should do every single day, right? So that's why I like this yogi squat, Malasana, how traditionally the yogis would sit for releasing the excreta out of the body. And nowadays, even now, like in India, most of the houses use the system, the squatting system, for pooping. So it's a very great asana for your overall body and specifically for the lower body. And you can hold this posture. As a beginner, you try to hold it for 20 seconds. Slowly, you can start increasing for 30, 40 and up to 60 seconds. And to move out of this posture, release your hands behind you and you can once again come back down. That was our third posture. Now we'll move ahead from here. Seated spinal twist or the half spinal twist, we call this Ardha Matsyendra Asana. So what you do, you can keep initially, you just keep both the legs stretched out. In whatever posture we can just stretch out the legs. Now from here, bend your right knee vertically and left knee horizontally so that the left heel touches the right butt. Let it reach to the right butt. And now place this right foot on the left side of the left knee. Your right hand goes behind you, behind your body. As you inhale, you stretch your left hand all the way up. Now try to bring this right elbow, place this at the right side of the right knee and try to grab the left ankle. Your right palm remains on the ground. You try to look behind you, over the shoulder. You feel a really nice stretch here in your lower spine, your shoulders, and it is also massaging your abdomen. So very great posture, especially if you have digestion issues. This is something that you should practice every single day. Look over the right shoulder. Keep breathing. Keep holding. Now, if you're not able to take your left hand all the way to the ankle, you can just rest the elbow here. The elbow should be constantly pressing the knee away from you. And you look behind. Keep holding. Very nice. Try to hold here again for at least 30 seconds and then you can increase it up to 60 seconds. And to release, once again, lift your hand up, exhale, bring this down, relax. We will repeat the same posture on the other side. So this time, bend the right knee on the ground so that the right foot, right heel touches the left butt this time. And the left foot is on the right side of the right knee. And this time, the hand also switches, left hand goes behind you. Inhale, you are lifting the right hand up. Exhale, you are taking this elbow, placing this on the left side of the left knee and twisting yourself all the way back, looking towards the left shoulder. Hold and breathe. Keep breathing nicely. Feel the twist. Focus on the breath. Constantly you're trying to look over the shoulder. If you can grab the ankle, very nice. If not, just keep the elbow at the knee so that it is constantly pressing the knee and you're looking over the left shoulder. Very nice. And again, as you inhale, stretch your left hand up. Exhale, release and relax. Now, those of you who had any abdominal surgery shall avoid this posture. Otherwise, you can always do this. All right, from here we will move ahead towards our last posture, that is Gomukhasana. So this can be done in various ways depending on what suits you. You can change your leg position. So I am going to tell you the traditional classical way how we do this. So you interlace your legs like this. Your left knee is on the ground and your right knee comes on top of the left knee so that your opposite heels are touching your butt. Okay, your right heel is touching the left butt and the left heel is trying to touch the right butt. Now from here, as you inhale, you take the right hand all the way up and take left hand down. Now bend both the elbows and try to clasp your hand so that your fingers are clasping each other. So if you want to see it from back, I'll just rotate around so that you can see it better how we are doing this. So I hope the knee position is very much clear to you, how the legs are going to be, and the hands will be like this, clasping the opposite palm or fingers, and you hold here and you breathe. Feel the stretch. Now some of you might not be able to hold the hand, so if your hand is coming here, just hold it here, or you can use a rope or any strap to hold your hands, and you hold here wherever you are able to reach, and again you try to hold for 20 seconds or 30 seconds, whatever best you can do as a beginner. And to release this posture, exhale, release your hands and bring them down. And then we repeat similarly on the other side also. Now for repeating on the other side, I'm just going to change the leg position. So when you repeat on the other side, what you do, your right knee was on top. Now your left knee will come on top and the right knee will be at the bottom. Similarly, both the heels will be touching the opposite butt. I'm going to tell you another leg posture so that in case you are not able to get in this posture, if you're not able to hold the posture with the legs, so there are other ways how you can do. You can sit like this in Vajrasana. Now again, to be avoided by those who have knee problem, or what you can do, you can simply sit in Sukha Asana like this. So you can choose whatever is comfortable leg position for you, just choose that, and then you have to bring your hands similar way. So we are going to do it in Vajrasana. Sit here like this in Vajrasana. As you inhale, take your left hand all the way up, bend that left elbow down, and from bottom your right hand comes down and you clasp your finger, and again just see it from the back how it goes. So now again you'll be holding here for 20 to 30 seconds. Just see whatever works well. Feel the stretch with every inhale. Try to go deep in your muscles. With every exhale, allow it to release the tightness from the body. Count for 30 seconds and then again you will exhale. Release your hands and relax. So yeah, that was Gomukhasana, cow face pose, and all these postures, if you just notice, pay more attention, you can see these are working from the base, from your lower body, from your hip, your thighs, your hamstrings, and then we move towards the spine, the abdomen, and then we move towards the upper body, the shoulders, the arms, the chest, right? So it's actually a complete body stretch within these 5 postures. You should practice them every day for an overall body stretch. I hope that was pretty simple and clear to you all. You can keep practicing to get better with every posture and try to retain every posture for as long as you can. With that being said, I'll sign off for now. I'll meet you with the next video wherein we'll learn next 5 postures that we can do in a prone position. That means the abdomen is on the ground, so we are lying down on the ground. That is how we can do the postures. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification icons. That would be really helpful for this channel to grow. And I'll meet you soon. Bye-bye. Take care. Namaste.